Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to learn how to take a standing fall, right? So forward rolling break fall, it can be difficult to achieve for a lot of people who are new to Judo, right? Because you're just not used to like throwing your body to the ground, right? So just in our other videos, we taught in a progressive system. We're going to do the same here. The way that we're going to begin is from a kneeling position. Notice that my toes, right, are on the mat, right? They're not lying flat. They're on the mat. And we need that because we're going to need our legs to push us forward, right? Kind of like that. Only what we're going to do is we're going to tuck our head down, right? And our arms, we're going to take our right arm, we're going to stick it through our legs like this. And all we're going to do is just going to push, right? And we execute our somersault. The reason that we're putting our right arm through our legs like this is because it's imitating the posture, the position that we're going to use when we take our standing fall. So we're just going to keep a curved arm. I'm going to slide this through. We're going to elevate our legs. And now look at this. This is the same posture, our Yoko Ukemi. Remember that last video? So we'll do that a couple times. Looks like so. Here, here, roll, there. Once you start feeling comfortable with that motion, right, we're going to progress. We're going to go kneeling, right, with your right knee up and your left knee down, right? It's going to be the same type of roll. We're going to put our arm through, but we're going to push with our back leg. That way we don't land on our shoulder. We're going forward like this. Yeah. I'll show you from this angle. Right, like this. Bring this here. Notice I got a curved arm. We want to keep this nice and strong. Right here, we're going to push off, starting with our left foot. We're going to finish pushing off with our right. Let's get back a little bit. All right. Here we go. Here, here, and one push, and then two push. Yeah. And before you know it, you can stand kind of like in a low lunge type of position, right? And remember, the fall is not being taken straight below us. It's being taken out in front of us, right? Again, we're going to push off with our left leg. We're going to finish by pushing with our right leg, right? 1, 2, and push, push. Yep. All right, so bonus tip, right? Earlier I said that you need to have this arm curved, right? And you do, right? But that is only possible if I use this hand to stabilize first. It's kind of like a two-step process, right? I'll show you very slowly. When we take our step forward, like so, right, before this hand touches the mat, we're going to stabilize our posture with this hand. Be 1, and then 2. Right? Looks like so. I'll do it very slowly. 1, 2. Yeah. Show you one more time. This is very important because without this stability, your arm will crumple. And it's likely that you're going to hit your shoulder, right? And that could result in injury. The reason why this hand, very, very important. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. Notice my legs, nice and open. Once you feel comfortable with that, we're going to take a step, right? This is the push with this foot. And we're going to push with this foot. We're going to aim, maybe like 3 feet in front of us. Just like in rocking motion. And here we go. Notice in these examples, it looks like a very easy fall. It's like one motion. It's not like choppy. And the reason that's happening is because I'm keeping this shape with my arm. This curved shape, kind of like a katana sword, right? It's curved. When we go from standing, 1, 2, out in front of us, 3. And finally, the last part of this progression is to be able to take the fall and then rise to your feet, right? Looks like so. All right, so bonus tip number 2. It has to do with rising after we take the fall. Because oftentimes, people want to tuck their leg like so, right? And then rise this way. Now, many martial arts, that's just the way that you rise. But for judo, that can be kind of dangerous because the velocity of the throw is such that it comes really fast, right? And if the person throwing you doesn't place you correctly and you over-rotate, then it's very possible that you're landing on this knee. And over years of practice, you have bad knees, right? So to mitigate that risk, when we rise from this position like so. From here, stabilization hand kind of helps us come through. So, right? Give you a demonstration. Right? We came straight up, right? Feet, shoulder width apart, everything looks good, right? That's basically how you take your forward fall. As always, if you have questions, concerns, feel free to leave a comment, or you can always feel free to DM me if you're part of the academy. Thanks, and make it a great day.